Hello everyone, today I'm going to present 3 ingredients cookies. It's really yummy and easy to make, so let's start. First of all, you will need a cake mix, the flavor you want. I chose a red velvet cake mix. Then we'll add to it a half cup of melted butter. Then add 2 eggs. Mix all together very well and then preheat your oven to 350 before starting shaping your cookies. And now bake it maximum for 12 minutes. Once the cookies came out of the oven, it will be so soft, so don't try to move it and let it cool completely, then move it. You can also make the same recipe with a cake mix of your choice, chocolate, vanilla or strawberry, and decorate it the way you want with chocolate chips or sprinkles. That was today's video. Please like the video if you like the recipe and subscribe for more videos.